In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create leads in HubSpot. First, log into HubSpot. You will see the login page where you need to enter your credentials. This usually includes your email and password. Ensure that you enter the correct information to avoid any access issues. If you've forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it. Logging in correctly is the first step towards managing your leads effectively. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard, where you can access various tools for customer relationship management. Next, go to CRM and then select Leads. On your dashboard, look for the CRM option in the main navigation menu. When you hover over it, a drop-down will appear. Click on Leads. This section is where you manage all your potential clients or customers. Here, you can view existing leads and add new ones. By accessing this area, you are taking a crucial step in tracking your sales pipeline. It helps keep your business organized and focused on lead conversion. Now click Create Lead. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the Leads page. Once you click it, a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter specific details about your new lead. This action is essential because it allows you to start building your potential customer database. By creating a lead, you are one step closer to converting prospects into clients, which can significantly boost your sales performance. From there, select the contact or company. You will see options to either create a new contact or choose from existing ones. If you have existing contacts that you want to associate with this lead, simply click on their name. If it's a new lead, you can enter their details directly. This selection is vital because it helps you keep track of which leads are connected to which contacts or companies. This clarity is key to effective communication and follow-up. After that, add lead details. This is where you will input crucial information such as lead name, lead owner, lead status, and any notes or activities related to this lead. Each field is important. For instance, the lead name identifies the potential customer, while the lead owner indicates who in your team is responsible for this lead. Lead status tracks the stage of the lead in your sales process, and notes or activities can provide context or history about the interactions you've had with this lead. Completing these fields thoroughly helps ensure your lead management system is effective and streamlined. Finally, click Create. This button is usually at the bottom of the lead details form. Once you click it, your new lead will be saved in the system. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the lead has been created successfully. Taking this final step is critical because it finalizes the process and ensures that all the information you entered is safely stored in HubSpot. You can then proceed to manage and follow up with your new lead efficiently. By following these steps, you have successfully created a lead in HubSpot. Each action contributes to a more organized and effective sales process. This structure is essential for your business growth and maintaining valuable relationships with potential customers. Thank you for watching and happy lead creating.